A Buddhist temple has existed at the site of Wat Arun since the time of the kingdom of Ayutthaya.
Harap berhati-hati dengan tas, telepon, dan barang berharga Anda. Harap membawa tas Anda di depan Anda.
It was then known as Wat Makok, after the village of Bangkok, in which it was built. Makok is the Thai name for the plant Spondius pinnata. According to historian Prince Damrong Rajanubab, the temple was depicted on French maps during the reign of King Narai, 1656 to 1688. The temple was renamed Wat Cheng during the reign of King Thaksin, 1767 to 1782, when he established the new capital of Thonburi near the temple after the fall of Ayutthaya. It is believed that Thaksin vowed to rebuild the temple by passing it at dawn. The temple housed the Emerald Buddha until it was moved to Wat Phra Kaeo in 1784 on the east bank of the Chao Phraya River. During Thaksin's reign, Wat Arun was on the grounds of the royal palace before his successor Ramaswamy, 1782-1809, moved the palace to the other side of the river. It was abandoned until the reign of Rama II, 1809 to 1824.
What I'm gonna do, because just looking down here, I'm already ready to fall.
Lầu ký của con trai nữa mà của thay con mà
who restored the temple and began work on increasing the height of the main pagoda to 70 cr, 3,000 feet. Work on the pagoda began during the reign of Rama III, 1824 to 1851. The main prang was completed in 1815. After 9 years of continuous construction, the temple underwent major restoration during the reign of Chulalongkorn.
我把它弄长。
Rama V, 1868 to 1910, and in 1980, before the bicentennial celebration of the founding of Bangkok. The most extensive restoration work on the prang was carried out between 2013 and 2017, during which a significant number of broken tiles were replaced and many surfaces were refinished with lime plaster. Replacing the cement used during previous restorations. When the work came to an end in 2017, photographs of the results prompted some criticism of the new appearance of the temple, which seemed to pale in comparison to its previous state.
Berapaan?
peso ạ.
The Department of Fine Arts came out in defense of the work, stating that the restoration was done in such a way as to maximize the temple's original appearance. The main feature of Wat Arun is its central prang, Phra prang, inlaid with colorful porcelain. It can be seen as a stupa-like pagoda. According to different sources, the height ranges from 66.8 meters to 86 meters high. The circumference is 234 meters. The corners are surrounded by 4 smaller satellite prangs. The prangs are decorated with Mauritia mauritiana shells and pieces of porcelain, which were formerly used as ballast on boats arriving in Bangkok from China. The central prang is topped with a 7-pointed trident, referred to in many sources as the Trident of Shiva. Around the base of the prang are various figures of ancient Chinese soldiers and animals. Above the second terrace are 4 statues of the Hindu god. Indra, riding Airavat, or Erawan, is a white elephant that has 4 tusks and 7 trunks, but is most often depicted as a 3-headed elephant. In Buddhist iconography, the central prang is considered to have 3 symbolic levels. The basic one for Tre Fung, denoting all spheres of existence. The middle one for Tavatimsa Tusita heaven, where all desires are satisfied. And the upper one, denoting Deva Fum, indicates the 6 heavens in the 7 spheres of happiness, crowned with lightning, Vajra, the weapon of Indra. There are 6 pavilions, Sala, in Chinese style on the riverbank. The pavilions are made of green granite and are equipped with stair bridges. Next to the prang is a hall of initiation with an image of Niramitra Buddha, supposedly created by Rama II. The main entrance to the hall of initiation, Bosot, has a roof with a central spire, decorated with colored ceramics and stucco lined with colored porcelain. Inside, there is a large altar decorated with red, gray, and white marble. In front are depicted 2 demons or figures of temple gods. Whoa. The murals were created during the reign of Rama. The central prang symbolizes Mount Meru in Hindu cosmology. The satellite prangs are dedicated to the wind god, Phra Phayu. The demons, Yaksha, at the entrance to the Ubosot, are taken from Ramakian. The white figure is named Sahasa Deja, and the green figure is Totsakan, the demon Ravana from the Ramayana. You can reach Wat Arun by crossing the Chao Phraya River. There are 2 piers near the temple where ferries come from. Tha Tien Pier from the Royal Palace side and Rajiniye Pier from MRT Sanam Chai. Foreigners are charged an entrance fee of 200 baht by the temple. During Kathina, the king travels to Wat Arun in a procession of royal barges to present new robes to the monks. There, Wat Arun rises confidently in awe above the Bangkok skyline, well formed before industrialization. Visitors come here as pilgrims, as it is one of the few temples where climbing its main staircase is allowed, rewarding the intrepid with panoramic views of the rushing Chao Phraya River, the Grand Palace, and Wat Pho on the opposite bank. The temple takes its name from the Indian god, Aruna. It is embodied in the radiations of the rising sun. The first glimpses of morning light are reflected in the pearly light of the temple, giving it a majestic appeal. Wat Arun is a significant place of worship and ritual for Buddhists, monks, and dignitaries. Please keep in mind to act with respect and acceptance at all times. Thank you for watching our video. We are excited to show you the world. Subscribe and don't be lazy to give us a like. We do our best for you. See you soon.
我知道了，我真的想。我边